In this video, the Memoryview built-in function in Python 3. So I think to understand the Memoryview function, we need to understand what Memoryview is and what the buffer protocol is. So Memoryview is a safe way to expose the buffer protocol in Python. And what exactly is the buffer protocol? Well, it provides a way to access the internal data of an object. So normally this internal data is only available to us at the C API level, but with memory views, we can do it in the normal Python code base. The benefit we're going to get is that we can access this data without copying it first, and therefore we'll get large performance gains by being able to access this data without creating a copy. All right, let's open up the shell and get to work. So let's say we had a byte string like hey, and the type of A is bytes. What we could do is create a memory view by doing something like Memoryview A. And if we want to check the type of that, we can see that Memoryview is its own class. So let's assign this to a variable and see what we can do with it. So now we have memory object B, and you can even do b.obj to get that byte string back and take a look at it. Another cool thing you can do is b to bytes, and we can get it that way, or b to list and get the numbers that way. And you can check that if we do CHR 104, we'll get our H. If we do CH4 101, we get our E, etc. Now for this next example, let's use a byte array because a byte array is mutable and we can do some cool stuff with that. So we have our hey again, and we'll create another memory view object with that. And we can do b.obj and check that we have our byte array. And we can use slice notation to first just check what we have at our first character. So we'll do 2 bytes and see that our first character is H, and we can actually change this if we want. So instead of H, maybe we could do, I don't know, let's do B. And now our b.obj is bay. So we've actually manipulated that byte array in memory, and we've done it all without creating a copy. This has saved us on performance and is one of the main use cases of memory view functions in general. And just as a last little fun thing, what if we changed it to a Chinese symbol? Well, bytes can only contain ASCII literal characters, so keep an eye out for that. Other than that, thanks for watching.